Here's how to check if your router is Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E. The first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your phone and go to the Wi-Fi options and click on the network that you're currently connected with. Afterwards, click on the information options and you will see there the information that you have on the router. Now, what you need to do is to go ahead and check if there's a label on Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E. If there's not, you can just go ahead and copy the router number. And then after copying the router number, go to the Google and paste the router number on the Google. And you can just go ahead and log in from the router number configuration page. But if you want an easier answer about this, you can just go ahead and ask Google about it. You can ask, is your number of your router a Wi-Fi 6 or a Wi-Fi 6E? Now, after searching, you'll be able to see there the answer that you needed. So, as you can see, your 192.168.1.1 is a default IP address for your login page, and it isn't a Wi-Fi 6. So, that is how you check on your router if it's Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 6E.